In this video, I will show you how to activate Live Caption in Chrome browser. Live Caption automatically generates real-time captions for any audio or video playing in Chrome browser, allowing you to follow along with the content even when sound is not an option. First, open Chrome browser on your PC. Now click three dots, which is for main menu, located at the top right side. From the available options, click Settings. In the left panel, click Accessibility. On the right, you will find the option Live Caption with toggle button. Just enable Live Caption. You can even add a language of your choice and then select preferred caption language if needed. Once done, just reload the browser. Now go to any video streaming website like YouTube and play any video. In this video, I will show you how to use night. And as you can see, live captions are getting displayed on the screen. Live caption feature is especially useful in situations where you need to watch videos in a quiet environment or when you want to understand the content in noisy surroundings without increasing the volume. So that is how you can activate live caption in Chrome browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.